When I started this journey, I thought I was building a channel. But what I was really building was a system. Because the moment you start automating with AI, you stop being just a creator, you become an operator of scale. And this is how it happened. The full 7-step workflow that transformed my YouTube channel from posting when I can to running like a self-learning machine. It's not a tutorial. It's an evolution. Step 1, the pattern of chaos, finding the real problem. I was stuck in a loop. Plan right arrow, script right arrow, record right arrow, edit right arrow, upload right arrow, repeat. And yet nothing compounded. Every video felt like starting over from zero, a single spark that burned bright and died fast. Then I realized something brutal. I wasn't building momentum. I was building fatigue. I looked at my analytics dashboard and it hit me. YouTube didn't care about how hard I worked, it cared about consistency, clarity, and retention. I wasn't failing because I was bad at creating. I was failing because I was recreating every single time. So the goal became simple. Build once, improve forever. That was the mindset that started the entire ToolByte ops system. Step 2, the intake layer, letting AI find the right signals. The first question was, how do I know what's worth creating? Every morning my AI runs on autopilot. It pulls YouTube trending keywords, AI tool mentions, and automation phrases. It compares them to retention curves from similar videos. It scans Reddit tech threads, X, Twitter trends, and Google trends in parallel. Then it filters everything through one rule. Only keep ideas that compound knowledge, not noise. Out of 100 trending topics, 4 remain. They're logged in my Notion board, ranked by growth probability based on historical performance. No guesswork, just data and direction. Step 3, hook intelligence, AI that writes curiosity, not clickbait. I used to spend hours writing hooks. Then ChatGPT became my strategist. It now generates 50 variants per idea, scored by predicted CTR trained from my past data. But here, where it gets interesting, I added psychological context. Empathy-based hooks right arrow trigger, this creator gets me clicks. Power-based hooks right arrow trigger, I want that clicks. Pattern interrupt hooks right arrow trigger, wait what, retention. AI learned which tone fits which video style. It even discovered that my audience reacts better to confidence plus precision, not hype plus noise. Now it produces lines like, AI didn't replace me, it multiplied me. Or, most creators edit videos, I deploy them. That's not marketing, that's resonance. Step 4, the script engine, writing like a human, scaling like a machine. I feed the chosen hook into my script AI. It understands structure, not just text. Each script is layered with intent. 0030, hook plus context plus promise. 320, story emotional plus analytical. 2050, breakdown framework plus logic. 5080, execution tutorial plus real application. 8010, reflection plus call to thought. I don't write anymore. I direct. The AI outputs a 10,000,12 character story in my tone, calm, clean, deliberate, with rhythm for 11 Labs narration. No filler. No top 10 AI tools. Just cinematic clarity. Step 5, the voice layer, synthetic but real. 11 Labs took time to perfect. At first it sounded robotic. But after weeks of training, pauses, inflection, breath, it became me too. Now the narration feels alive. And more importantly, it's consistent. No bad mic days. No tired takes. Just clean energy every single time. The voice is generated overnight, synced automatically to the script in CapCut, ready before I even wake up. It's like having an assistant who never sleeps and never loses your tone. Step 6, the visual layer, automation meets art. Runway ML is my silent cinematographer. It generates subtle motion backgrounds, AI-coded light pulses, digital circuits, reflections, gradient motion. CapCut applies the template. Kinetic captions every 1.8 seconds. Contrast pulses every 4 seconds. Subtle zoom in at emotional peaks. Glitch transitions during data points. Consistent neon blue branding. The system knows that 7-8 seconds is the average short-form retention drop, so it builds micro-resets into visuals automatically. When I check my timeline, it's not chaotic. It's modular, predictable, beautiful. Step 7: the upload and feedback engine. This is where the loop closes. Zapier monitors my export folder. When a video lands, it uploads to YouTube, adds title, description, and tags, schedules at 12 p.m. New York, and logs the data. Then my analytics AI watches how it performs. Every 24 hours, it sends a Notion summary. Audience retention, CTR spikes, keyword correlation, emotional tone of comments. It even highlights the timestamps where viewers rewind. Those are golden, the emotional peaks. Next day, the script generator uses that feedback to adjust rhythm for the next video. That's what makes it self-improving. Every video trains the next. The turning point when growth became predictable. 3 weeks in, the pattern was undeniable. Views tripled. Watch time increased by 47%. CTR rose plus 18%. My mental load dropped to 10%. That's when it hit me, I wasn't just building automation. I was building creative infrastructure. YouTube stopped being chaos. It became a dashboard of cause and effect. Now, instead of wondering, what do I make next? I ask, what variable should I optimize next? That's what separates creators from operators. The meta shift from content to system design. Everyone says AI makes things easier. Wrong. AI makes things deeper. It forces you to understand what actually matters: inputs, flow, and outcomes. The first era of creators was make content. The next era is build engines that make content. If you don't adapt, you'll compete with people who produce while they sleep. If you do adapt, you'll become untouchable. AI doesn't remove the human. It removes the repetition that suffocates the human. The philosophy behind the workflow. Creativity was never about chaos. It was about order that feels effortless. And that's what this system gives me. Freedom through structure. Automation with awareness. My daily routine is no longer reactive. It's reflective. Instead of asking what now, I ask what next iteration. This workflow didn't just build efficiency. It built peace. The tools behind it. Core stack. ChatGPT plus Zapier plus Notion AI, planning and logic. 11 Labs plus Runway plus CapCut production. Google Data Studio, feedback visualization. YouTube API live performance input. Philosophy. You don't need more hours, you need more architecture. The future adaptive AI production. The next upgrade is already in motion. I'm connecting the system directly to YouTube, API v3 for live adjustments. When retention dips, it'll flag scripts for packing. When CTR spikes, it'll replicate hook patterns. It will literally learn the language of my audience. Soon, every ToolByte Ops video will be part of a continuous loop, a system that studies itself. That's when automation becomes intelligence. That's when creators become engineers of attention. Closing thoughts. Automation isn't about doing less. It's about doing what matters. Because the more AI handles repetition, the more room there is for creation. So the next time you think, I just need to post more, remember this. It's not about posting more. It's about building something that posts itself. That's how I tripled my channel growth. And that's how you'll build yours.